Let's do basic inspections and servicing for my own kayak.
A few moments later.
Inspection of your own kayak. So what I do will be from the keel part to the stern. Usually from here I will see for any rust, any damages, any cracks. Peeling off of stickers is part and parcel. Can just peel off. Okay. Look for components like loose screws, and then is it like this? If it's like this, have to tighten it. Then the components like my net, is it dirty? Is it torn? Okay, I did torn. Okay, but not too bad for my use. Okay, so I will usually leave my hatch open while after a day of fishing. Okay, is it contained with water? Should be open all the way while you are back here to dry. Then is all the catch working? Is the screw all intact? Is there any giving ways of the end? And the rudder, is it a lot of free play? Is it like this? Okay, not too bad. Is my line slacked? I think my line is not slack, quite tight. I use Kevlar. Okay, then a shaker at the end with washers and balance it up. Okay, my special rudder. Okay, all intact. Okay, so how about the handles? Is it loose? Nope, this is very tight. Okay, so let's start with something else.
Eventually.
Okay, so let me introduce you the most important one. Okay, I use this soft seal, heavy foam, and the other one is 5-way, 3M 5-way. I try to invert it. Okay, so soft seal, you have to spray all over the corners like this to all the metal components, so that it will be a film up there protecting the thing.
Better speed up.
Okay, then after you finish your hull, then you have to fix your drive. Okay, drive is very simple. 5-way. All you have to do is open and spray with all the metal components. And this metal component. So all you have to do is spray on and turn. Okay, and leave it to dry. If you want it to work better.
2 hours.